Yung tungkol sa rally na hindi na ako binanggit, okay lang. Tiisan tayo, wala tayong magawa.
This is what Senator Amy Marcos has to say on the recent Cavite campaign rally of her party Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas. Both she and Congressman Camille Villar were absent from the event, but only Amy's name went unmentioned by her brother, President Bongbong Marcos. This marks the second time the senator has skipped an Alianza sortie. Marcos clarified that she does not go to campaign rallies unless she's in good terms with the local government. She also said she hasn't talked to her brother and is only able to hear from him through public appearances.
Matagal na rin yung tiis ko Sa totoo lang, nahihirapan ako. Hindi ko nakakausap ang aking kapatid kundi sa publiko at maraming humaharang.
Firm on her opinion, the committee chair on foreign relations is looking for international law experts to explain Duterte's arrest and maintains that it is never right to take a Filipino out of his own land. The rally came a day after she headed a committee hearing on the legality of ICC's warrant and its jurisdiction over the country. While claiming to be fine with her name being left out, Marcos said the focus of the people should be on Duterte's pending trial, as the sovereignty of the nation is at stake.
Wala na tayong republika kapag hinayaan ng hinayaan. Kaya, tiisan na lang po, okay lang kung hindi ako binanggit sa rally. Tutual, ang sinabi ko naman, mula ngayon, tutukan na natin tong isyung to. Kasi nakasalalay dito ang pagkatao at soberanya ng Pilipinas.
A second hearing is yet to be scheduled as Marcos and the Foreign Relations Committee deliberate on the issue. Ivy Reyes, Billionaire News Channel.